want a light-duty full-size pickup with a diesel. FCA has pretty much had that specific slice of the market cornered with the Ram 1500 EcoDiesel, but now Ford's getting in on the action. First announced almost a year ago, the Blue Oval has now released full details on the sixth-engine option to join the F-150 range, a new 3.0-liter Power-stroke V6 developed by the same team behind the Super Duty's 6.7-liter Power-stroke V8. Smaller though it may be, the F-150 Power-stroke diesel claims class-leading output and capacity, 250 horsepower, 440 pounds-to-foot of torque, 11,400 pounds of towing capability and 2,020 pounds of payload. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, it's targeted to return an EPA-estimated 30 miles per gallon on the highway. For every truck owner who wants strong fuel economy while they tow and haul, we offer a new 3.0-liter Power-stroke V6 engine that dreams are made of, said Ford's powertrain chief Dave Philippe. The more you tow and the longer you haul, the more you'll appreciate its class-leading towing and payload capacity and how efficient it is at the pump.